Welcome back to the channel. Well, in this video we got a chance to run a Redeye and a GTR at our last two trips to the track. We didn't get as much content as we normally like to get due to it kept raining out. Both days it rained out, so I was only able to get 2 races as opposed to the 3 races. So take a look at the videos and let me know what you think.
Perfect.
Redeye boogies. Redeye definitely boogies. I want to run him again. Looked like he left a little early. It was hard to tell. He was a little jumping at the line. But, we'll see. Thank you. Okay. Nah, it just treated me. That jumping, I just... Redeye. Damn, that's still only did a 10.9. It's time we got ready to launch this thing proper. Get back in my zone. Okay. Cameras rolling. Well, now that you've seen the videos, you kind of get an idea of why I usually prefer to do 3 races. What happened was with the Redeye, the guy was having some issues getting accustomed to the launch controls. So he didn't get the right launches at the time, so we ran it back. Second time, I kind of just regularly left looking at the tree instead of like I normally race. What I offered to do, which I usually do for a lot of the newer vehicles with the fancy launch controls, is give them a chance to stage in and just kind of tap the horn when they want me to bulb in. so that they're all prepped up, boosted up, ready to go. That way I can get a chance to run those vehicles at their best, as opposed to me just kind of leaving early. Well, not even early, but me leaving on time with the tree, and then them kind of staggering out some, at which point, yeah, I can get a win like that, but it doesn't give a good representation of vehicle versus vehicle, which is what I usually prefer to see if I even have enough to muscle through a vehicle, or if they had it. Basically, you kind of get what I'm saying. But I will try and run those guys again the next time. And here's the GTR. Alright, so we're going to get the GTR to brake. Running the GTR again. First time I gave him the brake. This time I died on him. This time, like I said, gave him a little too much the first time. Didn't have enough room to run him all the way down, but this time we'll just leave normal. Woo! Alright. A little more kind of as we expected. Still felt like a pretty slow pass for me. I kind of feathered out a little and it still spun some. I can hear a little. I'm thinking it's probably like a 70 or 80 pass. Like a 1070, 1080. Nothing spectacular. Thank you. 1080. 1080. 131. So, after seeing the GTR video, you can see I kind of gave him the brake the first race to see if I had enough to run him down. I gave him a little more of the brake than I should have gave him. Like literally spotted him like half a second. So that was my fault. Call it a loss, call it whatever you want to call it, you know. I call it a loss because that was what I decided to give him and I didn't cover it. So second race I just ran him straight head up, and well, it was kind of more expected. I mean, he doesn't have many mods on it. While it's a fast car, nonetheless, it's, you know, I'm a little tricked out, you know. But yeah. So what I would like to know is any particular cars you guys would like to see me race, or any YouTubers you'd like to see me line up with. Leave it in the comments. If it's a particular car, I'll look for it when I'm at the track. If it's a YouTuber, just kind of bombard with the comments of that, saying that you want to see me race that YouTuber, and bombard that YouTuber's comments on one of their latest videos as well, so that we know to try and link something up. Because I can tell you now, if it's if the guy is 1,600 miles away from me and it's only like 2 comments, I'm not really trying to go out of my way that far. But if we have hundreds of comments showing him that he should race me, and showing me that you guys want to see me race him, then we'll usually try to find somewhere, an even ground, somewhere in the middle, or never know, I might be taking a trip to that side of the country, or he might be taking a trip to this side of the country, and we'll try to make it happen. But let me know if you're a local guy and you had a nice street car you'd like to race. Doesn't matter to me if it's a 9-second or 10-second car. I have no problem racing any of it. I mean, heck, if you're a fan, and you have a 12-second car, I'll still race you. You know, we'll always have some fun. And that's pretty much it. Till the next video.